Welcome back to Click and Flow, your go-to channel for mastering modern productivity with the help of AI. We break down the best AI tools, browser extensions, and digital workflows that help you save time, boost output, and unlock creative potential. Whether you are a freelancer, student, or side hustler, this is where you will learn how to work smarter, not harder. What if I told you that one set of AI tools could save you hours of work every single day? Today we are looking at some of the most powerful AI tools that can completely transform the way you work and create. Why spend hours writing, editing, designing, or coding when AI can take care of the heavy lifting for you? Let us start with writing tools. Platforms like WriteSonic and Quillbot can draft blog posts, rewrite text, and help you generate creative ideas in seconds. For students and professionals, these tools allow you to focus on refining your ideas instead of struggling with the blank page. Now imagine design tools that can create stunning visuals with just a few prompts. Midjourney and Canva Magic can generate art, graphics, and even logos without you needing professional design skills. With these tools, creativity becomes accessible to everyone. If you create video content, AI is a complete game changer. Apps like Pictory and Runway can automatically edit videos, cut scenes, add subtitles, and even enhance visuals in minutes. For short-form content, Flicky can turn text into quick videos with voiceovers, giving you endless content without long editing hours. Music creators can benefit too. SoundRaw generates background tracks tailored to your mood, length, and style. Instead of wasting time searching for the perfect royalty-free track, you can create a unique one instantly. When it comes to productivity, tools like Notion AI, Perplexity, and WordTune can summarize your notes, answer questions, and help you organize your workflow. Pair these with AI-powered Chrome extensions and suddenly your browser becomes a 24-hour personal assistant. Coding has also been simplified. Platforms like Replit and Blackbox AI allow you to generate and debug code faster than ever. Beginners can learn programming without getting stuck, and experienced developers can save hours of trial and error. And here is the best part. Many of these paid tools have free alternatives. Instead of Midjourney, you can try Night Cafe. Instead of ChatGPT Premium, you can use Aura. Instead of Canva Magic, you can explore Coral Vector. Free does not mean low quality, it just means knowing where to look. AI is no longer optional if you want to keep up. It is like having a team of assistants working for you around the clock, ready to write, design, edit, and analyze at your command. The key is figuring out which tools fit your workflow and using them to free up your time. Which AI tool would you start using today to save the most time? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Click and Flow for daily AI hacks, tutorials, and shortcuts that will instantly upgrade your workflow.